somebody.
Nice.
And the challenge is everybody tell me your best worst jokes.
Best worst
Oh,
jokes.
worst jokes.
Best worst joke.
My worst joke is like 10 minutes long.
Oh, I
Alright.
heard the best worst joke in the chat the other day.
A horse walked into a bar. Everyone immediately left because they recognized it was incredibly dangerous.
I love those jokes.
Me too.
Ooh, that would be interesting.
I got one.
Oh, what the...
This is my best worst joke, I just can't remember what it is.
It was, what... Did you hear the one about the...
Mexican serial killer? No, the train murderer.
Yeah, the Mexican train murderer.
He had locomotives.
Oh. He had locomotives.
Crazy Mexican
Graham.
murderer. Did you need this?
Yeah.
Wow.
There was one that my brother had deployed
You just-
on him. It was someone who clearly did not understand how a yo mama joke is supposed to work.
Oh, no.
And it was, yo mama is so fat, she sat on the army,
Did you still need that?
and they shot at her.
That's pretty fantastic.
I would.
I know. The correct punchline to that is, your mama's so fat, she sat on the army and made G.I. Joes.
Wait, no, I got one, and it's one that James came up with when he was younger.
Cameron
Hey,
says
James,
to get 20K by 2 a.m. we need
what did the salt
$52
say
a
to the
minute.
pepper?
Oh,
What did the salt say to the pepper? Sorry.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Thanks for being my opposite.
What?
Now, there's actually an interesting story behind this one.
What?
Go to your town.
What?
Where's engineering? Engineering cut. Nope.
I'm angry now.
It is the worst joke I've ever heard.
I've got a pretty terrible one.
Lettuce's favorite JRPG, Romaine Hearts.
So the story behind this joke, what did the pepper say to the salt? Thanks for being my opposite. Back when I was young, there used to be a call-in show in the morning for kids on the radio. And you could, if you called in and you got picked, you got to tell your joke and you would win $9.39 in a bank account. Which, huge money for kids. So I thought, no, my mother thought, you should tell this really funny joke from Chickadee magazine. What did the robber wear in the rain? Robber boots. Possibly funny, but no, I thought I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be funny on my own. So, what did the pepper say to the salt?
That'd be pretty fun.
Thanks for being my opposite. That joke made me a professional comedian.
Whoa!
Yeah.
You got
We
paid.
need to figure out a good
Yep.
day for it,
That's
though.
pretty good.
All the money.
I've got a really good one.
Good. Bring it on.
Okay.
Speak
What?
loudly.
What does a Romulan frog use as camouflage?
Whoa.
A croaking,
croaking
device.
I was like, what could that possibly... It's so...
Alright, I got one too.
Alright.
A piece of string walks into a bar and tries to order a drink, and the bartender looks at him and says, hey, we don't serve your kind here, buddy. No string. Get out of my bar. And so he walks outside and he ruffles himself up and twists him all around and ruffles his hair a little bit and walks back inside. And the bartender looks at him and says, hey, buddy, aren't you a piece of string? And the piece of string looks at him and says, nope, I'm afraid not.
No.
So give us some money for the best worst jokes.
Yeah.
Hey, we got a thing here.
Oh, look, another one.
We have a second performance mic, right?
Yes, you did.
Awesome. Let's say
Did you ever know that you're my hero?
Bijuri and one of you guys fight for it.
James?
And the one who wins is going to play a game of sound effects with me.
Ooh.
And we'll get people to do the sound effect. I'll grab this performance mic here.
I'll do that.
Lily, here. You're making sound effects. And
Huh?
What?
Step
Someone completely... Someone not good at improv has to be them.
exactly.
That's the way it works.
What, doing the sound effects?
That's fine. That's the idea.
Oh.
Two improvers are silent and two...
There's
Oh, is this?
There's
the
two different ways.
silent-
There's two different ways to play sound effects. Either get people who are really good at it, or get people who, maybe won't be. And honestly, that's funnier.
Hooray!
Guess
You're
which
will
one's
be on
which?
that. Actually, never mind. You'll probably be
Hey,
on
I'm on the floor.
Yeah, your tag fell off.
Good.
Here, Andre, move my chair out of the way, and You guys know.
Come on,
Ian,
you stand-
You're in.
Yeah.
You're in there.
yeah, no, you're in it with me. These two are making
Okay,
sound
they need
effects.
to
Great.
So you two stand over there.
Even better.
You're gonna be good at this.
I'm not.
So
All right. Where are we?
Well, let's ask the chat. Where are we?
Chat. Where are we? We're doing a game of sound effects.
First person
So-
to get to us gets
You'll
it.
be
You're
doing
at-
the sound
yeah.
effects for Ian.
Yeah, you do sound effects for Ian. You do sound effects for me.
Obviously, you're at James's house.
Oh, no, we're in Jamestown.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
I see what you did there.
You know, the Jamestown massacre was like maybe 10 or 12 people.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
it wasn't okay.
So what's the
Wait,
scene?
does this mean we have to do just like ridiculous Boston accents? Can we not do Jamestown?
Can you please do Jamestown?
Okay, James Bay.
James Bay.
All right, we're in James Bay, in Victoria, beautiful Victoria, British Columbia. We're in James Bay.
Here we are in James Bay. What's a dangerous occupation?
It's 1 week
Have
before
you ever-
Desert Bus, and you haven't done any preparations.
Oh snap!
We haven't done any preparations for Desert Bus. Why are we touring Emily Carr House?
It seemed like a good place to get ideas. I mean, this is exciting.
All right, fine. Here, let's go inside.
Okay.
This needs like a metric ton of oil. Excuse me. Let me just grab this oil can and oil up this door on the famous historic site that for some reason they are letting me operate on.
Yes.
Glug, 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 glug.
I just realized your sound effects made my door noise.
Interesting.
Anything Ian does, you do.
Here, let's
Wait, no, he wasn't doing anything.
hold on a second.
Oh, did you make the door noise as well?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Why are you
I saw
talking
you
to
doing
yourself?
it.
Yelling at us.
Okay, look.
Just leave James.
You got the
alone.
oil in there. Let's just tighten it up here with. I'll get my screwdriver out.
Oh, fantastic. That sounds great.
Somewhere
I'm sure
in
the
the
people
pocket
who
here.
operate this national historic site will love us fixing this door.
Well,
I
I've got a few things here in my pocket. There's the screwdriver. I gotta get around the Twinkie.
think you have a game of Space Invaders in there.
Yeah. Okay, there it is.
Oh, it's a Sonic.
Exactly.
Oh, of course.
Knock knock.
There's a tiny person inside.
Well, we have to get her out.
Oh my god. Excuse me. You're in the way.
Tiny Emily Carr, what are you doing here?
Okay. I've removed the tiny ghost of Emily Carr.
Yes.
Please keep fixing the door.
So, well, maybe we should.
Go away. Go paint something.
I thought she was a poet. I'm gonna go inside and see if there's anything we can use here. Actually.
She was a famous painter, Ian. Get it together.
God. Well, I'm gonna take this painting then. We can auction this off, right?
Yeah, we can auction that at
Great.
Desert Bus. Why not?
Womp.
You
Here, catch.
okay?
Crash.
Great.
Butterfingers went right past me.
Let's try again.
Okay, throw me another priceless Emily Carr painting, please.
Click.
You found a secret safe behind that painting.
Huh?
Did you hear it click?
Yes, I did.
It went click.
I think we need to get. We need to enter in a few more numbers before we actually get inside.
Ooh. No, that's a budgie. It's okay. Let me try. Let me try and get this safe.
That could
Okay.
have been worth a few
Okay.
dollars.
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. I gotta go one way. I'm gonna go back the other way. Okay. I got it. It's
Okay,
unlocked.
Great. Now we blow the door off. Okay.
All right. Go for it.
Stick the Steve 4 on.
No.
Will you go away? You were part of the group of 7. Have some self-respect.
Yeah, good. Now we're out of Emily Carr. We'll have this tiny leprechaun made of C4. And now we light it up. Wait. We should probably light a longer fuse.
Please, God, yes.
We've done some really short activities, and this one should build some suspense.
So this is going to take a while to get there, right?
Yeah, well, let's try my lighter first.
Okay.
Okay, do you have anything you can make fire with?
This
isn't working.
Let me try this box of matches. Let me just shake it up,
Okay.
make sure there's a match inside.
Nope.
Well, there's one. There's one match inside. This is my last match. Here we go.
Well, bus.
You what?
But I was just about to get my fire-breathing dragon.
You're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off.
When are we gonna get to the fire?
All right, we'll go on there.
I have got to get in one of those.
That was great. Oh, tiny Emily Carr.
That should be our next challenge. Draw tiny Emily Carr. Tiny ghost of Emily Carr.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh my goodness me. I was really looking forward to seeing that slow.
Yeah, no, that's what I was waiting
slow
for.
fuse. Oh goodness me. Well, there we go. There's a game of sound effects for you, Sean.